Hi folks, I'm Ivan and I'm a PhD student at Confirm based in UL, County Limerick, located in Ireland. In the last 20 years, technology has improved a lot, from regular cars to cars that drive themselves, from TVs that only use cable to smart TVs with internet connection and high definition. Also devices connected to internet such as Google Home, Alexa, and even coffee machines connected to Wi-Fi. This has brought a huge number of opportunities, allowing us to have full control of a huge number of devices, enabling better business opportunities. My work focuses mainly on developing an analytics cockpit in order to provide smart capabilities to industrial processes. This analytic cockpit communicates with several IoT devices, retrieving information from them and generating statistics using AI. This will allow us to improve workflows within the factory, not only helping us to simplify our job, but making everything more efficient. Thanks for listening up and stay tuned for more Confirm videos.